Hello, welcome to CEA's tutorial of the Ravenna application platform. Ravenna is available for families to use to apply to private and independent schools, ranging from preschool all the way up through 12th grade. When you go to ravenna-hub.com, this is the page you'll see, and we'll start by either creating an account or logging in. Okay, so once you're signed up or logged in, you will be brought to this page, which is your dashboard. This is kind of like the home page of the Ravenna application. You'll see at the top right, you have an option to take a tour. That's super helpful to walk you through the application, show you your different options for providing information and navigating the website. Next, we'll go to School Directory. This is where you'll be able to search for schools that accept applications through the Ravenna platform near you. There are a bunch of cities and regions for you to choose from to see who accepts the applications in that area. You can also filter by name, city, and grade. You'll also notice that there are boarding schools that you can choose to browse through as well. Next, we'll go to events. We have no events scheduled, but if you wanted more information on the events listed here, you can go directly to the Events tab. The Get Help option will actually open a brand new tab for you, and you'll be able to go through the topics and select the one that applies to you to get more information and hopefully help you solve your problem. Next, we have applications. This is where you'll be able to see the applications you've started, as well as the schools that you're exploring or inquiring about. So that would be schools that you're interested in, interested in learning more about, but not quite ready to start that application yet. If you select Explore, Apply to a School, it'll just bring you right back to the school directory page, and from there you'll be able to select whether you want to explore. And as you can see, exploring means that you can learn more about a school before applying, and some schools you can register for school events, even if you're just exploring, not applying. And then Apply, obviously, is when you are ready to submit an application, you're interested in the school, and you are seriously considering sending your child there if they are accepted. You can also select Show Useful Contacts if you need to get in touch with anyone from the school. Okay, next we're going to go to Decisions. This is where you will see, hopefully, a long list of acceptances. Next, we'll go to Student Profile. This is where you can upload a photo and fill out basic information about your child and household. If you go to AdStudent, maybe you have twins or multiple children that you're looking to enroll in a new private school. This is where you can add another child. Next, we have Settings. This is just where you can edit your child's name, your contact email address, and also there's a nice email address here provided for you. If you're running into any issues, you can get in touch with someone directly. So we'd love to give you an example of what an application looks like. Okay, so this is the Packer application. The sections are pretty streamlined and straightforward before you begin, preliminary application, a parent essay, which is super common, fee options, and then also opportunities to register for events and check out your financial aid options. Another cool tool available to you is the Show Me What's Left button. This little pop-up box will appear and show you exactly what you still need to complete before you're ready to pay and submit. So that's CEA's tutorial of the Ravenna application platform. We wish you the very best of luck with your applications and hope you all find the perfect fit.